Red gel nail polish. 1 pcs * 15 ml dark red gel nail polish with an exquisite gift box. An elegant gel polish is prepared for you. Suitable for spring, summer, fall, winter. Satisfy your different needs on any occasion. You can DIY your nails anytime. Ideal gift for her. This dark red gel nail polish set is a unique gift for your family member or friend for holiday, Christmas Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving Day, birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. She will fall in love with this nail gel polish. Healthy, easy application. This dark red gel polish is made of natural resin. It is non-toxic and has a low odor. The nail gel kit can be highly pigmented and have good tenacity. With a proper application, this high-quality gel polish can last for over 2 to 3 weeks. Nail professional home used. Modelones dark red gel nail polish is good choice for use in a professional nail salon. You can design your own manicure at home to show your style. Remember, the gel polish needs to be cured under nail lamp. Base and top coat is required. Average for nail lamp 60 to 120 secs. Warning. May cause an allergic reaction by skin contact. Read directions for use carefully. Only used for nail. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth and skin. Rinse them immediately should the product comes into contact with them. If there is any incident, contact the doctor immediately. Stop using the product if redness and itching develop. If symptom persists, consult a doctor. Keep out of the reach of children. Top reviews from the United States. Mendel one is my favorite polish so far. Nice glitter effect. This applies like a dream compared to others I've bought. Perfect texture. Seems to last as long as others with my busy tropical fish tending life. Hands are in water every day, so I can't expect more than a wheel or so out of any of them.